Hello friends, welcome to my channel KVTRA Kumarashal Trading Academy. Today I'm going to give analysis for tomorrow Nifty 50 chart. So let's begin without wasting our time. First of all, let's concentrate on the divergence that was formed during the day, and it shows, as you can see in the picture, it the day before yesterday, the day before today, sorry, yesterday, and if we intermingle the charts of today also, then we find a divergence which is formed, as you can see in the figure, in stoch RSI and the Nifty 50 15 minutes time frame chart. The stoch RSI strength is moving upwards, and the Nifty 50 chart price is falling downwards. So a divergence has been shown within the price chart movement and the strength of stoch RSI. So we can conclude that this is after this trend was positive and moving in a bullish way. So we can conclude that divergence is a normal divergence and was not hidden. So market tends to move upwards. As you can see, market tends to move upwards to its position, which is 22658 up to here. As you can see, I am writing down also 22658. 22658. This bullish trend is trying to move upwards up to the mark of this 22658. And today is it has not covered that, and tomorrow it tends to cover all of this and may reach to 22658. And after that, the divergence after the divergence target achievement, the market tends to move downwards. As we can see in the daily time frame chart, market is, as you all can see, this has formed a shooting star. Before that, a hanging man was formed, and a spinning candle. A spinning candle confirmation was downside, and with this confirmation, one more relevant candle was formed, which is shooting star. And after the shooting star formation, market moved downward and formed a gap down in today's market, and that is 11th March 2025. And it has almost filled the gap and still trying to move upwards. As you can see, the last candle formed almost has no upper wick, means there was no fight between bull and bear for the upward position, means bull was trying to move unidirectionally to upward position. It may be that bull was trying to cover up 22658 in its as its target. So bull was strong today in the last time frame, although in the total time frame, bull was strong. And in the last time frame, last 15 candle shows that bull has no opposition of bear and trying to move upwards to cover the target of 22658. And after that, you can see in the daily time frame chart, this has made a quite interesting situation, as after the shooting star formation, market is trying to move upwards. This seems to be very ambiguous, because the market doesn't try to move upwards after forming a shooting star candle. So we can conclude, and it may be the possibility that after, and although, and one more thing, that market has done enough bullish move today on the 11th March, and for the 12th March it shows a little bit less bullish move for the 12th March. As you can see, Stoch RSI in daily time frame chart is at oversold position, means all the demand has been fulfilled, and market tends to move downwards. And still, we should remember that in the 15 minutes time frame, a divergence was formed, which indicates that market was trying to move upwards to its full target and trying to complete the previous divergence. So we can conclude tomorrow that, and still also you can see MACD. MACD has shown convergence yesterday also, and it has shown more convergence and towards the bullish side, as you can see in the histogram. Although this is a bear area, but in the bear area, convergence of 2 days was shown, as you can see. So market, we cannot neglect that bull is trying to move the market upwards. But although the bull has given the move today, so we can conclude tomorrow that, first conclusion, first conclusion may be that, sorry, let me, yes. So the first conclusion may be that, after the significant bullish move, market should move downward. But the Stoch RSI divergence was still unfulfilled. So in the next move, market may capture 22658, may be rounded up to 22650. Market may capture this position. So if market opens gap up, but a large gap up opening which tends to cover 22650 means a large gap up opening trying to move the market downwards, means this target has been achieved and the market is trying to move downward because market has already given the bullish move today. If the market opens gap up to 22650, and if the market opens at par, if the market opens at par, then first of all, bear should try to capture its area, its lost area. And if the market opens at par, bear should try to capture its area. Then maybe that bear cannot close at the low, and bull tries to move the market upwards, uh, and bull should move up to the target 22650, and thus forming the candle hanging man. Maybe it is the possibility that hanging man was will be also formed tomorrow if the market opens at par. If the market opens, this was the condition of at par. If the market opens gap up, you should note that if the market opens gap up, bear tries to move market downwards and then tries to cover up to the 22650. If the market opens at 2250, then obviously bear tries to move market downwards, and bear will be more bearish, means market will be more bearish if the market opens heavy gap up. You should remember that. So gap up condition was fulfilled, at par condition was fulfilled. Now the third condition was if the market opens gap down. You should note that if the market opens gap down, then the market should tends to move upwards because the market has already opened gap down. The market should not open gap down significantly, means very gap down. You should note that. If the market opens very gap down, then market should try to cover its original diversion, which is 22650, and the bull was strengthened further. So, in my opinion, all the three parts are covered, and in my opinion, although it seems that bull was strong, but bull is not very strong, as you can see in the chart, and still bull is trying to come back. But although it seems impossible to me, because market has already gone bearish and news has already spread that means market globally is also going weak. So you cannot trust bull very much. And you can also see I have drawn a line, a strong wedge is forming in a daily time frame chart. And this line should be noted that the market has respected this line and still making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And after the breakdown of this trend line, market is trying to move upwards, and we can expect that market should respect the trend line, although not try to break the trend line, as bull was not more bullish and bear trend was more bearish than bull. So we can expect that this trend line should be respected once more, although this was respected the day yesterday, and were respected once more, and the double top, and maybe the double top formation will be possible tomorrow. And double top formation, after that double top formation, market should tend to move downward. Sorry. So you should note all the three conditions. If market opens at par, what should market do? Market tries to move downwards. Then after moving down, significant downward move, market should try to capture its divergence target, which is 22650, round it off. And if the market opens gap up, if very gap up, then if very gap up at 22650, market should tend to move downwards as bear was very strong. And if the market opens gap down, then very significantly gap down, then you should note that it should cover its divergence, which is 22650. Although the market is not very bullish, as you can see, already covered up as touch RSI in overbought condition. So this cannot be negated, and bulls cannot be that much strong to move the market to its reversal. So see, let's see what happens tomorrow. All the three conditions are technicalized and presented to you. Thank you. And if you like, share and subscribe, and spread this analysis to your friends. Thank you.